What are you on Instagram or are you just videotaping?
It's videotaping.
Oh. What's up, YouTube? Got my Rcmart box. We had to like search down all these different post areas. So we're gonna go ahead and rip this open because I'm like super excited about this. Oh man, look at all the goodness. All right. So first off, we got a dry shaft for the PJ for the Orlando Hunter 32 A02. 2 to 2 dry shaft, MD5 300. Set that right there. Alright. We have our wheel weights. Dang, these things are big. Holy cow. So we got our wheel weights, GA3001. I'm going to be probably putting these on the Bronco. Or probably, I got 2 pairs of those so we can have a whole vehicle dressed up with wheel weights. I'll probably just put some in the front for when I carry trailers. I don't know, but that's sweet. No foam inserts, just straight up wheel weights.
Yeah, those are nice.
Yeah, those are pretty cool. It say Orlando Hunter on them. I like those. Alright, and then I got, okay. Then we have GA005. These are like some steel reels. Yeah, get all these parts back up. Oh, this looks very cool. This is gonna look very cool on the PJ, on the Pedro. Aluminum front bumper by Extra Speed, part number XS59791BK. They also have a silver one. Yeah. Thank you, baby. And then I ordered 2 of these because one for the semi-truck build and one for the Bronco. But these are the dual ball studs for the steering, TA0012. Right. Now I got full dry shafts for the PJ. MD5 300. And this one is MD5 300. Alright, cool. I got the other dry shaft for the Pedro. So the front dry shaft. And we got 2 more tires. Oops, sorry. I'm back going off fast. We got 2 more tires of the 30mm crawler tire soft. XS59786. My wife, she loves her 30mm tires. I gotta get myself some, so. Links. That way I can get the building the links.
Are these the sticky ones?
Yeah, those are the super soft sticky ones that you got on your truck right now. I'm gonna put a pair on the Bronco and then.
Yeah, I like these ones the best.
See if I can fit some on the Pedro. I don't know. Oh, I ordered the. Huh. I thought I ordered the another set of clock mass wheels, so I'm gonna have to go in my order form. But I guess I got a second pair of the aluminum 5-spoke beadlock wheels. I love these wheels, so actually I'm kind of happy that these came in. XS59674. I actually took a pair and I made the deep dish wheels on the F-150. Those wheels are pretty cool. And then we also got another pair of links, SA0033. SA0033, I believe those are the Jeep links. And then we got one more crawler accessory and oil tank from Extra Speed, XS59745.
Oh, that's adorable.
Yeah, no, I love it a little. I'm gonna go back on my order form on Rcmart. I'm just gonna check to make sure that I actually ordered these 5-spoke wheels, or maybe I got credit because he was out of stock on the clock mass wheels. But I thought I ordered a pair of those clock mass wheels. Not sure. Either way, I'll just get another pair. But the main thing that I'm super stoked and super happy about getting, it didn't come with any screws. Just me looking at it, it didn't come with no resistors. But this is the new aluminum front bumper Type A with white 3mm LEDs for the OH35 801. So it's XS59803. This is their newest bumper. They actually have a Type B. And that front bumper will allow you to have headlights. So, and the Type B bumper, it's going to be, the Type B bumper is just like the first extra speed bumper, where it's got the long nose on it. I call that a nose. And then the Type A is a short one. But now you get lights in it. This is going to be epic. So stay tuned for the next video on us installing this on the Jeep. But alright you guys, that's going to be the unboxing. Thank you very much, Christine, for helping out and helping with the unboxing. That's very nice of you, baby. I love you very much. I love you guys too. And God bless. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.